Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back with another cooking with me. I hope you guys are enjoying these. I've been cooking a lot since I'm in quarantine, and unfortunately I do not get to go to work because of the industry that I'm in. So I'm home trying to stay busy with other ventures that I have, but and obviously making videos. So yeah, I'm cooking this chicken noodle dish. It's super easy. You guys can make it at home. I'm gonna show you what you guys will need. But first, let me drink some of my wine. And I'm drinking the Stella Rose, the Moscato Stella Rose, in this really cute queen cup, or what is it called? Yeah, it's a cup, right? Or champagne glass or wine glass that my girlfriend actually bought this for me for my birthday. You know, because I'm a queen. Super cute. Yeah. Shout outs to you, girl. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make this dish and the ingredients that you're gonna need. So you're going to need some noodles, okay? And I bought these noodles from Costco, and they come in a box. They're really good, and it comes in with soy sauce. So there's a packet in here with the soy sauce, and it's really good. And yeah, I'll put the link for this in the description box so you guys can, if you guys want to use these noodles, but any noodles will work, okay? So this, you're gonna need your noodles. I'm going to be adding a red bell pepper, obviously my green chili that I must have, onion, and garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna be using the chicken in water in a can. I've never used the chicken in a can. I haven't like stir fried it or anything, so this is the first time that I'm gonna do this. I hope it comes out good. I've done the noodles only with just like veggies, and it tastes really good. So I'm gonna try the chicken because I want to add some protein. So we'll see how that tastes. Hopefully it all goes well. And yeah, so let's get this cooking. Let's get all this chopped up and ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna open the noodles up, okay? And this is 1 serving, so it's just for me. So 1 little bag works. I'm gonna take the noodles, and this is I already brought this water up to a boil. So I'm just gonna place this in here. And here's a little soy packet that I was telling you guys about. All right, so let's dump that in. I'm gonna put the flame up to like a medium flame, and I'm just gonna let this cook. Okay, so we're gonna let that cook, let that boil a little bit for about 2 minutes, and then we're done with that. Okay, so now we're going to chop our garlic, our onions, our bell pepper, and our green chili. So I'm gonna chop the garlic. I love garlic. It adds so much flavor to your dishes. Garlic and onions, guys. I love that. Okay, so I'm gonna chop these up really quick. And if you guys want me to go live, like while I'm cooking, like let me know. I'm not sure how soon this is gonna go up on YouTube or on Facebook or on Insta, but tomorrow I'm planning to make salmon, so I might film that, and that's gonna be yummy. So I'm gonna take this little container. I'm gonna put all my ingredients in there. Now I'm gonna go with the onion. I like to saute the onions and the garlic together, and then like the chili and the bell pepper after. So I'm just gonna chop this onion. Honestly, guys, I don't even like measure stuff. I just eyeball it. So I think that's enough onion. I think maybe it might be a little bit too much, but it's okay. Now I'm gonna take the chili, and I'm also going to chop this up. Ooh, that onion is strong. It's gonna make me cry. I'm not gonna add too much of this chili because it tends to be really spicy. And I'm also gonna add tapatio to the sauce, so I don't want to be too like overpowering. And now we're gonna chop them. That onion is making me cry, guys. Okay, this will be for this trash. The bell pepper, I might just use half. No, you know what? I think I'm gonna use the whole bell pepper because I am using a lot of onion. Let me chop this up. Actually, I'm only gonna do half of the bell pepper. I need to go stir those noodles. So I'm gonna finish chopping this up, and then I'm gonna stir the noodles and drop the flame a little bit. All right, so those are chopped. All right, so let's go stir the noodles. So these noodles are almost done. I'm gonna check right now if they are done. So if it breaks easily, that means that it's done. So these are done. So I am going to turn off the flame and just let them sit there. Okay, so I'm now gonna add the chicken. I'm gonna mix that in here. So while this cooks, I'm now going to make the sauce. Okay, for the sauce, I'm taking the little packet and I'm gonna open it up. And I'm gonna squeeze everything out. And I'm going to add pepper. I'm going to add tapatio. Just a little bit, not too much. And then I'm gonna just mix it. And that's done, and then we'll pour this at the end, okay? So we'll set this up here. Now we're gonna take our bell peppers and put them in the skillet. And then I'm gonna mix it around. So now I'm gonna add the noodles because I want the noodles to also absorb all of this flavor that we have going on. I'm gonna dump the noodles. And just start, you know, mixing and folding all the other ingredients together. How yummy does this look, guys? And now we're gonna add the soy sauce, okay? And I normally would add a little bit more of soy sauce, but I ran out and I forgot to buy some today when I went to the store. Sesame oil would be nice too. So I'm gonna mix everything together. Alright guys, so I'm continuing to just stir the noodles. I do like them to get a little like toasted. So I'll just like flip them and then just let them sit. So this serves, I would say 2 people. If you're really hungry, just 1. I probably will have this a small portion right now and then maybe some later. But yeah, I mean, it's really good. I hope you guys are enjoying watching me cook, and you guys are enjoying these recipes. They're super easy. And yeah, let me know what other recipes you guys want me to make, or suggestions. Oh, you should make this, so I can make it for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to continue finishing this off, and then I'm going to serve it and we're going to try it. Alright guys, so let's give this a try. It's so delicious. So yummy. I'm so proud of myself. So let me know if you guys make this at home and if you guys like it. I'm now gonna go eat and watch something on Netflix and have my wine. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys are enjoying these Cook With Me series and if you enjoyed my chicken and noodles recipe. Bye guys.